Hello everyone, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this we're going to do the UFS storage 3.1 read and write speeds comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus OnePlus Nord 2 device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to compare both phones. Let's see friends which phone has got what type of read and write speeds. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video using this application, which is a Android benchmark application. Let's start the test. And in this application we do have the storage test option in the Android benchmark test itself. Right now we'll be able to see which phone has got what type of read and write speeds using this application itself. So right now we got the results about 55,000 and 57,000 in the OnePlus Nord 2. You can see clearly the difference between both phones in terms of the read and write speeds. So read speed is slightly higher in the Realme GT Neo 2, but write speed is slightly higher in the OnePlus Nord 2. As you can see, 993, not 19. So slightly higher. So these are the score which we got using the Android benchmark application. But I do have another application which is Android bench application. Let's try to use this application and let's see what are the scores we do get in this application. Because according to the Android benchmark application, write speed is slightly higher in this phone. Read is higher in this Realme GT Neo 2. Let's see whether this application is showing exactly the similar kind of results or not. So here we do have the read speed which is showing about 1719 and 1598, but as usual same, the write speed is slightly higher in the OnePlus Nord 2 exactly 956 and 729, and random read is 255 and 220, 247 and 222 in terms of the random read and write slightly higher in the Realme GT Neo 2. So if you want, you can pause this video and you can take a look at the scores side by side how they are. So that's it friends, it's a quick comparison between both phones in terms of the read and write speeds. So I think you got a clear idea what is going on between these both devices. Now final test using the GT mode, using the high performance mode. Let's do the test again. What will be the results between both phones? Out of curiosity only I'm trying to do. That's it. I'm not sure whether it will be increased or not, but let's see. So with the 55,000 and 57,000 we got before. So right now we got 61,000 and 56,000. So it definitely improved a little bit, I think more in the OnePlus Nord 2 if you try to use a high performance mode. So right now as you can see, the read also improved and the write also improved. Both got better after using high performance mode in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick comparison between both phones using the UFS storage read and write speeds. I think you got a clear idea what is going on. Using high performance mode, OnePlus Nord 2 functions like really great in the high performance mode in this device. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and let's stay tuned meanwhile signing off.